Have you ever been puzzled by the wonder of Wiegand? Have you replaced the wrong part because your Wiegand wires were reversed? Have you spent hours chasing what turned out to be a loose or broken relay or Wiegand wire? Troubleshooting access control systems takes time and money and prevents you from moving on to the next job. The Retrofit assessment tool for access control from SureFi provides a solution to help solve any of your Wiegand wiring problems. With the ability to read and send Wiegand data, you can troubleshoot any Wiegand-based access control system in seconds. You can even test the relay outputs of your system to confirm that credentials are received and accepted. To read data from a Wiegand card reader or keypad, simply wire it up normally. Connect the D0, D1, and ground lines to the inputs on the assessment tool by either adding wires in parallel to your existing wires or connect directly into the tester from the Wiegand device. Press the function button to cycle through the different displays on the tester to see the Wiegand values, line voltages, and relay status. To send Wiegand data, connect the output on the D0, D1, and ground on the assessment tool to your access control system. Then connect the tester with the SureFi app for iOS and Android by opening the app and scanning the QR code on the front of the assessment tool when prompted. In the data entry screen, enter the Wiegand code, facility code, and bit rate you wish to send, then hit the Send button. With the Retrofit assessment tool from SureFi, you can quickly troubleshoot and solve Wiegand problems, saving you time and money and getting you onto your next job. For more information about SureFi, contact us today at surefi.com.